a $60,000 time capsule with a hidden 408 stroker heart. This 1966 Plymouth Satellite looks classic, but it drives like a modern muscle monster. What happens when a legendary 1960s Mopar gets the perfect blend of originality, luxury, and modern performance? You get this incredible 1966 Plymouth Satellite, a rare classic muscle car that preserves its vintage soul while delivering the power and confidence of a modern performance machine. At first glance, this Satellite captures everything that made the golden era of American muscle so unforgettable. The long hood, clean body lines, bold stance, and unmistakable Mopar character create an instant connection to the streets of the 1960s, when horsepower ruled and every drive was an event. But underneath its classic appearance is a carefully upgraded machine built for enthusiasts who want the best of both worlds. This is not just another restored classic. This is a rust-free Arizona example with a solid foundation, original personality, and carefully selected upgrades that transform it into a true driver's muscle car. The exterior immediately tells a story of careful preservation. The body remains exceptionally clean, straight, and tight, showing the quality craftsmanship that went into this Satellite. The doors close with the precision you would expect from a much newer vehicle, creating that satisfying feeling of a well-built classic. Finished in its handsome original color combination, this Plymouth has only received one repaint, maintaining the authenticity of its original design. The glossy clear coat finish gives the body a deep, polished shine that highlights every curve and character line. The original chrome trim and glass remain in excellent condition, adding to the car's timeless appearance. From the clean door jambs to the detailed bodywork, every area reflects the care taken to preserve this Mopar icon. Adding to the aggressive muscle car appearance are the new 15-inch Magnum 500 wheels, wrapped in BF Goodrich tires. These wheels perfectly match the era, giving the Satellite a classic performance stance while improving road presence and handling confidence. Step inside, and the Satellite continues to impress with a beautifully preserved interior that feels authentic and comfortable. The cabin features the correct upholstery and original style door panels with the distinctive Western embossed pattern, creating a unique period-correct atmosphere. The interior presents beautifully with excellent seats, clean carpeting, a well-maintained headliner, and detailed trim throughout. The console remains in great condition, while the dashboard looks sharp with clean gauges, original-style knobs, and factory air conditioning vents. This is a cabin designed not only to look great at a car show, but also to be enjoyed during long highway cruises. Comfort is a major part of this Satellite's appeal. Unlike many classic muscle cars, this one features factory air conditioning, updated for modern R134 refrigerant, allowing you to enjoy the power and style of the 1960s while maintaining modern driving comfort. But the true magic of this Plymouth begins under the hood. Instead of staying completely original, this Satellite has been upgraded with a performance-built 408 cubic inch stroker V8 engine, producing an impressive 385 horsepower and 465 pound-feet of torque. This engine delivers the kind of low-end power and aggressive performance that muscle car enthusiasts dream about. The engine bay is beautifully detailed, featuring a large chrome quick fuel carburetor with electric choke sitting on top of a Weiand aluminum intake manifold. New TTI headers help the engine breathe better, while the Flowmaster exhaust system delivers the unmistakable, deep, powerful sound that defines American muscle. Every detail underneath the hood reflects thoughtful engineering. The car features a new power steering pump and hoses, a new alternator, a completely upgraded power brake system, and a clean, organized engine compartment that looks ready for both show duty and serious driving. The performance upgrades continue throughout the drivetrain. The rebuilt 727 Torqueflite automatic transmission provides reliable shifting, while the upgraded 834 rear end with a new posi unit ensures that the power reaches the pavement properly. A heavy-duty drive shaft, high-torque starter, and rebuilt components make this Satellite ready for years of enjoyment. Handling and stopping power have also been improved. The complete front-end rebuild, upgraded sway bar, front disc brake conversion, and new shocks provide a more confident driving experience. This is a classic muscle car that doesn't just look powerful, it performs like one. The underside reveals another major advantage: a completely rust-free Arizona foundation. The floors and frame rails remain solid and clean, proving that this Satellite has been protected from harsh environments. The trunk compartment still carries its original paint with clean original metal, a new plaid trunk mat, and the factory jack mounted in the correct location. Even rare original details remain, including the factory Certicard and attached fender tag, preserving the history and authenticity of this impressive Plymouth. At $60,000, this 1966 Plymouth Satellite represents an incredible combination of classic Mopar styling, modern performance upgrades, and everyday drivability. It offers the appearance collectors love, the power enthusiasts demand, and the comfort features that make every journey more enjoyable. This is the kind of muscle car that turns heads at every stoplight, commands attention at every show, and delivers a driving experience that connects you directly to the golden age of American performance. The 1966 Plymouth Satellite is more than a classic car. It is a piece of Mopar history, upgraded, preserved, and ready for its next chapter on the open road.